Shenzhen Navicat Technology Co Limited is a high-tech company devoted to the R&D and sales of smart locks and related smart products. Navicat is a smart home brand under Defton. We have professional R&D department and experienced iOS, Android, Windows, cloud server and database engineers. We support OEM, ODM, and we can customize hardware or software systems. Innovation and quality has always been our core concept. Defton strict QA and QC quality control system guarantee the quality of our products. Also, our products have been already sold to many countries, such as Europe, US, Brazil, and Southeast Asia. We adhere to the customer first, a deep understanding of customer needs, take the initiative to take responsibility. We always try our best to improve customer experience and satisfaction, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices, achieving long-term cooperation and win-win with our customers. We have got many patent certificates for utility models, appearance designs as well. Our goals is to be an advanced smart lock company and provide high-quality products and software systems for all our customers around the world. We reward our clients with Excelsior attitude towards products and 24-hour online service. Welcome to visit our company. Looking forward to cooperating with you.